Hi everyone, welcome into Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we will learn how to record and generate test script in Cypress. This feature makes test automation easier by allowing you to interact with the application while Cypress automatically creates the test scripts for. It is a great way to speed up test creation and ensure the race. So let's begin. Step 1. Add extension to Chrome browser. This is first step. Open Chrome browser and search here Chrome Web Store. Click on this first link, Chrome Web Store, and then insert the extension Cypress Chrome Record. Now click on and to Chrome and it will ask for it. To add extension, click on add extension. Now extension has been added to Chrome. This is our first step. And the step 2, record text. This is step 2, record the text. Open Chrome browser and suppose we want to record the test of the login page. Open Chrome browser and open this login page. Now we can click on inspect or we can press the F12. After clicking on F12 key, click on create recording. First we need to record our test. So click here create recording. It will ask for enter the reporting name. Suppose this is our login test, login underscore test. After enter the test name, we need to click on start recording. Click on start recording and then refresh this page. Now enter these credentials, student, and then enter the password. Password is password 123 and then click on submit. As you can view, login successfully. Now we can stop our test. Click on stop. First, it navigate to the URL. Click on username and then enter the username. After enter the username, click on password field and then enter the password into the password field. As you can view all these steps here. Now we need to export this test. So here option is available export. Click on export. It will ask for saving this test. You can select this option export test by Cypress. Now enter the file name login underscore test dot js and then save. It will ask for this type of file container. So click on save. File has been successfully saved. Now step 3, add recorded file in VS Code. Add this test file into VS Code. Open this Cypress folder. Cypress dash test. Open this folder. Cypress test and then open the Cypress. Click on E to E. Now place this test file here. Copy this file and place here inside E2E. Open VS Code and here we can view login underscore test. We need to rename this file login underscore test dot sci dot checks. Now, this is the viewport in which the test is recorded. We can remove this URL and save its test file. Let's run this test by npx Cypress. Open. This is the command for opening this Cypress. As you can view, first it will navigate to this URL, click on username, and then enter the username into the username field, and then enter the password into the password field. After enter the password, it will enter the password and then click on the submit button. This is the assertions. It will check whether the login successful. npx Cypress open. Now Cypress is opening. After opening, Cypress, click on E2E. We need to click on E2E testing and then click on start NP testing in Boom and then select the file. Here the file is login underscore test. Login underscore test. Click on this test is running. First, it will navigate to the URL. As you can view, open the URL, enter the username, password. Password is invalid. We need to check because here side dot get password dot type. We need to remove this slab. Now, run the test again. Open the website and enter the username, password, and login successful. As you can view, expected this URL. We can change the port here. Let's change 1000. Save this test file and the Cypress will automatically run the test. Login successfully. That is for today's tutorial. Reporting and generating test script in Cypress is a great way to save time and improve test efficiency. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SPO. See you in the next video.